For this exercise, they ask us to write a Python code that asks user to input two numbers. So Python has a built-in function is input parenthesis. For example, if I write x equal to input, then Python going to ask us what's the value. So the user needs to enter the value here. If I put like 5, then the value of x will be 5. And let's do the same thing for y equal to input, and on this I'm going to plug enter 10. So the value of x equal to 5 and y equal to 10. In this exercise, they ask us to swap the value. That means value of x should be 10 and value of y should be 5. And without any using temporary variable. Let me solve it with the temporary variable. So we have a container x, we have container y, and I'm going to bring another one, temp, for example. So x is 5, y is 10, and temp is empty. If I empty x to the temp, that means the value of temp equal to x, so temp will be equal to 5. So 5 even inside, and x is empty. Now I'm going to say x equal to y. That means this y will be over here, goes to the value of x. So x going to be, so 10 going to go to this container, and y will be empty. And at the end, I'm going to put 5 to this container. That means y equal to temp. So now if you print x and y, x will be 10, x will be 10, and y will be 5. But I swapped these two by using temporary variable. So I brought another variable. But in this exercise, you should change value of x and y or swap them without any third container. For the second exercise, which is here, they ask us to write a Python code that asks user 3 numbers, A, B, C. So we're going to use the built-in function input. So I'm going to say A equal to input, B equal to, so when you execute this line, you need to, the user needs to put the value, B equal to input, and C equal to input. So when we have a value of A, B, C, in order to come up with the area of the triangle using Hero's formula, so we are assuming that users enter the correct value of A, B, C. So doesn't get negative, doesn't get 0. Also has to be a realistic value for ABC. So when we have value of ABC, we're going to find S, which is A plus B plus C over 2. And then you plug it in the formula. So you program this one to S, and the area will be square root of S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. this should be much easier than previous question.